Listen very carefully, because what I'm about to show you is something your body has been begging for, even if you never realized it. Right now you live like a tamed human, soft, controlled, predictable. But inside you, buried under years of comfort, there is an animal, a creature built for power, speed, and instinct. And the only reason you don't feel that strength today is because no one ever taught you how to reactivate it. These 7 exercises are not workouts. They're switches, biological triggers your body instantly recognizes, because every human on this planet was born with primal movement patterns passed down from warriors, hunters, survivors. And here's the part nobody wants to admit: your muscles are not weak, your instincts are not gone, your power is not lost. It's simply asleep. But after the next few minutes, after you perform these animal-based movements, your body will start responding in a way that feels strange at first, more grounded, more explosive, more alive. Almost like something wild just woke up inside you. So if you're ready to stop training like a tired human and start moving like the predator you were designed to be, then pay attention. Because once we begin, there is no going back to the old version of you. 1. The bear crawl, reactivating your primal engine. Before humans walked, they crawled, and your body remembers that. The bear crawl isn't just an exercise, it's a full-body awakening. The moment you drop to all fours, your shoulders stabilize, your core tightens, your hips lock into alignment, and your brain suddenly realizes, this is how my body was built to move. Every step forward feels heavier, more connected, more controlled. Move slowly. Feel your opposite hand and opposite foot working together. This cross-body coordination is exactly what hunters and warriors needed, and it's exactly what modern humans have lost. That's why people who crawl even 20 seconds feel exhausted, because this movement exposes weakness instantly. But when you practice it, your body becomes unified. Your strength becomes integrated. You begin to feel like a single, powerful creature instead of disconnected body parts. This is the first doorway into animal strength. Step through it. 2. The gorilla walk, unlocking raw leg power. Now we descend into the world of explosive giants. The gorilla walk. Drop into a deep squat, deeper than you're used to. Stay there. Feel the burn. That burn is your unused power waking up. Gorillas move low because it keeps their legs constantly activated. And this is exactly what this exercise does to you. As you place your hands on the floor and begin to shift forward, your legs take over the weight. Your glutes fire like engines. Your hips widen, stretch, and strengthen. This movement builds dense, thick, undeniable lower body strength without any weights. Fighters use it. Football players use it. Gymnasts use it. Because nothing builds leg explosiveness like moving in a deep squat while supporting your body with controlled arm placement. After 10 seconds, you'll want to stand up. Don't. Stay low. Stay primal. Stay uncomfortable. Because the lower you stay, the stronger you become. 3. The leopard crawl. Speed, stealth, and killer instinct. Now things get interesting. If the bear teaches power, the leopard crawl teaches precision. You move low. So low your knees almost scrape the ground. Your spine aligns. Your breathing slows. Your mind sharpens. This is how predators move when stalking prey. Silent, calculated, explosive when needed. Every inch of your body needs to stay under control, your core braced, your hips stable, your hands landing softly, your steps perfectly coordinated. Perform it slowly, and you will feel your entire nervous system firing. Perform it fast, and you will feel like a creature built for speed. This crawl develops 3 rare qualities. Silent strength. You move with power without making noise. Hunting focus. Your awareness heightens. Distractions fade. Coordinated agility. Your body becomes one connected system. Humans once depended on this instinct to survive. When you perform it, that instinct returns. 4. The crab walk, the forgotten strength of your backside. Now flip your world, literally. The crab walk trains the muscles you ignore, the muscles that protect you, the muscles that turn you from fragile to unbreakable. Lift your hips, open your chest, walk backward. Instantly, your triceps tighten, your glutes activate, your hamstrings stretch under load, your spine stabilizes. You're building what athletes call posterior chain strength, the foundation of real power. Most people today are falling forward, slouching, collapsing, weakening. But when you practice the crab walk, you reverse that weakness and rebuild the structural strength your body was meant to have. This movement makes you feel supported, like your body finally has your back, literally. And when your backside becomes strong, your entire physical presence changes. 5. The frog jump, pure explosive power. Now, the movement that turns your body into a spring-loaded weapon, the frog jump. Drop into a deep squat, the same posture frogs use before launching. Load your legs, feel the tension build, then explode upward and forward. Your fast-twitch muscle fibers, the ones responsible for sprinting, jumping, fighting, escaping, ignite with every jump. This exercise is used by MMA fighters, sprinters, basketball players, parkour athletes. Why? Because it builds raw, explosive power faster than almost anything else. Your legs burn, your lungs heat up, your heartbeat pounds in your ears. This is your survival system activating. Animals use explosive power to escape danger or attack, and for a few seconds, your body remembers exactly how that feels. This movement turns your strength from sleepy to dangerous. 6. The scorpion reach, power that lives in your spine. Strength without mobility is useless. A stiff body breaks. A flexible body adapts. Enter the scorpion reach, an MMA mobility classic. Lie flat, lift your leg, sweep it across your body. Now feel it. Your spine twists, your hips unlock, your chest opens, your lower back loosens. This is controlled, elegant, primal movement. Animals don't move stiffly. They bend, twist, rotate, and coil before exploding. The scorpion reach teaches you exactly that, how to control your strength through fluid movement. This builds spinal mobility, hip flexibility, shoulder stability, deep core engagement. After a few repetitions, you'll feel your back come alive, in a way normal workouts never achieve. When your spine moves well, your strength becomes 3 times more powerful. 7. The panther walk, the final evolution of animal strength. Now, the final transformation, the movement that combines balance, control, focus, stealth, strength, and precision. The panther walk. Lower yourself, but not fully to the ground. Hold yourself in that perfect, low, stalking position. Your hands glide, your feet place softly, your hips stay stable, your breathing stays silent. Every muscle in your body activates at once. This movement builds predator-level awareness, silent, controlled strength, shoulder and core stability, complete body tension, mental calm under physical stress. When you perform the panther walk, you stop feeling like you're exercising. You feel like you're hunting. This is the closest humans come to activating their ancient predator blueprint. By the time you finish even one slow round, you'll understand why this movement is used by fighters, gymnasts, and animal flow experts worldwide. This is the moment your body stops being human and becomes evolved, sharpened, connected, powerful. And these 7 primal exercises, when practiced together, don't just make you stronger, they change the way you move, the way you think, and the way you exist in your own body. You stop training like a domesticated human and start training like the powerful creature your biology always intended you to be. Now take a breath. Feel your body right now. Your shoulders alive, your core engaged, your spine awake, your instincts buzzing under your skin. because what you just felt in these 7 exercises is not normal fitness. This is remembering. Remembering what your body was designed to do. Remembering the animal inside you. And here's the part I need you to understand. Most people watching this video will feel the spark and then do nothing. But you are not most people. If you've watched until this point, you already feel something shifting inside you. A new strength, a new curiosity, a new identity forming. So here's what I want you to do. Tell me in the comments right now, which animal movement woke something up inside you? Was it the bear crawl's raw power? The gorilla walk's leg-burning dominance? The leopard crawl's silent aggression? The panther walk's controlled, predatory focus? Because the moment you type your answer, you are claiming that power. You're telling your brain, this is who I am becoming. And I read every single comment. I see who is serious. I see who is transforming. I see who is stepping into their primal potential. So don't just watch and disappear. Join the people who are rebuilding themselves from the ground up, literally. Drop your animal below. Let me see who's awake and who's still asleep. Your transformation starts the moment you comment.